Welcome to a closer look at the Graco SlimFit3 LX 3-in-1 slim car seat, a versatile solution designed for your growing child's safety and comfort. This car seat, known as Katrina, is a testament to Graco's commitment to combining space efficiency with robust safety features. The SlimFit3 LX is not just another car seat, it's a 3-in-1 solution that transitions with your child from rear-facing harness 5 to 40 pounds, to forward-facing harness 26, 5 to 65 pounds, all the way to highback booster 40 to 100 pounds. This means you can rely on it for years, reducing the need for multiple purchases. Measuring a compact 16.7 inches wide, this seat ensures ample room in your back seat without compromising on your child's comfort. Its spacious design and slim profile make it an ideal fit for most vehicles. Graco ProtectPlus Engineered is built into this car seat, ensuring comprehensive protection for your child during frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The 10-position No-Rethread Simply Safe Adjust harness system allows the headrest and harness to adjust together, simplifying the process while maintaining safety standards. According to thousands of satisfied customers, this car seat is a favorite. One user praises its lightweight design, perfect fit for their baby, and the comfort it provides. Another commends its ease of installation, sturdiness, and the assurance that they won't need to buy another seat anytime soon. When it comes to cleaning, you'll appreciate that the SlimFit3 LX is machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. The dimensions are 20.7 by 16, 7.24, 5 inches, and it weighs approximately 19.2 pounds, making it easy to transport as well. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that while this car seat is designed for comfort and convenience, it should always be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. Remember to check the minimum and maximum weight and height recommendations for each stage of use. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, space-efficient, and versatile car seat that grows with your child, the Graco SlimFit3 LX 3-in-1 slim car seat could be an excellent choice. Join the ranks of satisfied users who have found peace of mind and convenience with this remarkable product.